Hello again, welcome back. We are going to Hong Son today, which is the one of the islands off the coast of Gat. It's about a 1.5 hour boat ride, and yeah, we're just waiting for our ticket and waiting to get on the ferry to take us there. Pretty packed. Looks like people are like traveling again, so we're waiting at the terminal right now, waiting on a few people, and once we get checked in. All right, guys. So we are on the Super Duong ferry. Super Duong X is what it's called. 1.5 hour ride. Pretty chill. The seats are cool. Lots of space. Comfortable, reclining. This is good. I like it. 140K for the tickets. Sounds pretty fair. You know, about $7 to $8. We'll see in 1.5 hours when we get to the island. Yes, sir. Let's go. Goodbye, pigs. I will see you in 3 days. I left the pigs at home to go on vacation, take a little break. We'll see the pigs when we get back. Super windy too. It's the back of the Super Duong. It's smoke. Holy crap, it's too windy. Quick trip. Looks like it stopped raining when we got here. It's still super wet. Port looks busy. This is the exit. Ra ngoài này á, ra ngoài này. It's the exit. Everybody's getting ready to leave. Fishing boats out here too, man. We are at Lai Sung. Good job. We got welcome guests. ride back home. Success. All right, fellas, we got the luggage. Get out of here. Get to the hotel. We've arrived at our destination.
Đi giá hả?
Ta đi đây rồi. Không mang được, để ăn em lấy mà.
Có ly nè.
Oh man, busy. We gotta get out of here. We need to get out of here. So much people, man. Okay, it's trying to get to the get on land and get to the hotel, man.
Còn không?
Ở đây nè. Ai ngồi ở đây.
It's a little rain, a little drizzling. Oh, it's so busy here, man. So much people.
Xe không chạy mình. Lộ lại đóng quán sáng đi. Thôi chung chị bận đã. Làm gì của mình ngay chỗ này nè. Bây giờ mấy cưng đi mấy người vậy?
5 người.
Bây giờ bước vô trong đi từ từ anh sắp xếp lại. How như? Vô trong cái chị
Bên này. Thầy. Ê. Hả? Con nhỏ đó nó kêu đỡ đó. Theo nó đi, theo nó đi. Okay, we got the guy that we're supposed to meet. I think they're gonna take us to the hotel. Just gonna check out the port a little bit. Hả? Em coi. Yeah, yeah. What we got here? To be got coffee shops, Doobie, coffee. Got food. It looks like this whole row is restaurants and food. I think it's just restaurants here. All right, let's go back. Wish it wasn't raining. Would definitely be better if it wasn't raining. Hello. Okay, motorbike is provided, and then they're gonna take our luggage to the hotel, and then the lady's she's gonna give us the well, actually we're gonna follow her back to the hotel where we're staying at. So it looks like we're given a vehicle to drive or to take or whatever. So it looks like every person's gonna have their own motorbike to take, and we're gonna go back to the hotel this way. Hello. Hello. Wait. No. right, see you at the hotel.
Chạy đó chị, chạy đó chị. Thấy không, đụng của người ta đó.
Ủa, phải điện này. I think looks like we arrived at our destination. This is our hotel. Wow. Wait, wait. Đậu xe.
Trời ơi, xuống cái rượu sao?
Oh. Oh, I think this is where we're staying at. Wow. Bungalow Beach Barbecue. Oh shit. Bungalow Beach Barbecue. Bãi đá Hon Son. Bãi đá Hon Son á. Không, bãi đá Hon Son không?
Đó là chống ra là không có xe chị.
Dạ, cái đó cô.
Tiện này của ai?
Dạ, cái đó cô ạ. Của em. Tôi hỏi. Xuống này á?
Dạ dạ, xuống ngay thẳng xuống đường mặt biển luôn, cái mình quẹo trái lại để tặng ha.
Ok.
Còn cái này của ai? Riêng hả?
Đây. Riêng. Đây.
Cái này chuyện tiếp được đâu nặng quá. Có ai đang chi tiếp tay được?
Ê, cái lấy chìa khóa chưa? Ở đây rồi, được không? Anh sao? Thế được không? Thấy có được không? Wow. Ah, okay. Oh, very good. Very nice. Oh.
Có đem đồ tắm rồi.
Oh, this is not bad, man. The rooms are nice, I think. There's a place to hang out. I will be facing the beach. All right, so this is my room for the next 2 nights. This is a beachfront room facing the ocean. Beach is right in front of me. 1 bedroom. Got the curtains here for a little privacy. What we have? We have a TV. It's got a mirror here. And oh, we got a storage closet. And we got a bathroom. Okay. Hopefully they have hot water. I'm pretty sure they do. Not bad, guys. 650K a night. All right, let's get settled in and then figure out lunch. See where we can go to eat.